Namaste and welcome in the series of cybersecurity. This side is Meena. Today guys, I will discuss about most frequently and widely used attack, and this is really damaging so many servers, applications, and with one of just a story I will start. One day a news channel, that's ABC news channel, was broadcasting an interview with Donald Trump, and the TRP was very high because the interview was on Sunday and interview was going in a great way. Both Donald Trump and the interview was rocking. TRP was very high of that news channel. They were making huge money via ads. And what happened? Something goes wrong. Screen was frozen. And oh my God, what's that? Why this picture is not moving? And immediately the owner of ABC news channel, he just asked to the IT security team, what's going on? Why are broadcast frozen? Why we are not able to see it? Why it's not moving? And they just observed huge incidents were happening, security incidents, and so many alerts was generated by their security appliances, and they were just trying to figure out what's that. Immediately they knew it. Yes, there is an attack on our server, and that was distributed denial of service attack. Okay, and just for 2 minutes the screen was frozen. It was not moving. They were not able to broadcast it properly, and the users, viewers were not able to see it. So owner of the ABC news channel, he asked what was that, and they explained, sir, it was DDoS attack on our server. Then he asked, what's that? Then they told him the attack, this kind of attack is that different bogus requests in a huge amount that's coming from different sources, and they are requesting on our server, because each and every server, service application, they are having capacity to reply, and once they are receiving the bombardment of requests which they cannot handle as per their capacity, then the legitimate user, when that request to access the server or service, they were not able to reply. That's what happened to our server during that broadcast. Okay, so guys, in this way the DOS attack sends huge traffic from different source, and this is really very dangerous attack and damaging to different industry, and frequently that kind of attack used. Okay, so it can be done by from anywhere. Huge bogus traffic will come to your server, service or application, and which they cannot handle it. So the main motive of this attack to just avoiding the legitimate kind of users to get reply. Okay, so these attacks also happen on different industries and on different organizations all around the world, like ABC News, and on GitHub in 2018 Feb, a huge attack of DDoS was happened. 126.9 billion per second of the bit transferred to that server, and it was halted. Okay, so this kind of attack can happen on bank, can any kind of server or in any industry. Okay, so I just here I am presenting you an example with the lab environment where I have created a DOS attack. A server, that's what I am using to create DOS attack. That's is a Linux, Kali Linux, and in the Kali Linux I am using the command hping3. Okay, with the hping3 I attacked on a PC and sent too much traffic within very small time period, and you can see I just choose port number 22 and send huge traffic from the PC which is having IP address 192.168.1.4, and the machine on which I am attacking is 192.168.1.16. Okay, so we are able to see this type of information is coming only from one PC. So DDoS attack will use thousands of bogus IP addresses from different locations, and they send huge traffic on a target machine. Okay, and because the server is meant for to reply the request, so it will be busy in replying those fake requests, and the legitimate user, when he will access to that server, so they will not able to access it because already the server is too busy to reply it. Okay, we can also see there are the traffic at the time of attack was jumped too much. Okay, so this is the information collected from the machine where the attacks happened. Okay, so guys, this is the attack. There are different type of DOS attacks can be done via different ways. It can be TCP sync, it can be via ICMP. Multiple kind of attacks can be happen in DOS. Okay, and in the next session I will discuss how attackers can stay on your system and can hide themselves on the system, and whatever they want they can get. You are secure, even many times whatever the security appliances you are using or services you are using, those were not able to detect it. Okay, so stay safe and namaste for the day. See you in the next session.